चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
It's for the challenge that you're here. It's for a challenge, or you have a bigger.
See, this is a vichardhara ki ladai. Congress didn't pick this area because they were fascinated by the people. They picked this area because demographically, the area's composition of vote bank was suitable to the Congress party. The issue is even that vote bank voted them out. They are that bad. So if there is one place wherein the vote bank says कि ये लायक नहीं है, that is Amethi.
Last time they had one seat in entire Uttar Pradesh. What do you think is going to happen to the Congress in this election?
Do you see the vitriolic stuff being spoken by Mr. Gandhi? 3 दिन पहले रायबरेली में उनका एक भाषण था जिसमें वो ये बता रहे थे किसकी शादी में औरतों ने किस प्रकार का लहंगा पहना है। हाँ, उठाकर देखिए वो भाषण। इस प्रकार के भाषण देने लगे हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है? वो भाषण देते हैं, ऐश्वर्या राय कैसे नाचती है, अरे उसके ससुर के घर से तुम्हारी माताजी की डोली उठी है भैया। तो जो अपने आसपास औरतों के बारे में ऐसी बातें कर रहा है जस्ट टू मेक देमसेल्व्स पॉलिटिकली फ्लैशी, उस गटर में मुझसे क्यों हाथ डलवा रहे हो?
Priyanka Gandhi was asked why she speaks Hindi so well, and she said, "I spent my childhood in Teji Bachchan's home."
And then her brother goes on to demean Teji Bachchan's बहू। That is the, कहते हैं ना आपको हमारी सभ्यता समझ नहीं आ रही, ये है सभ्यता उनकी।
Also, Aishwarya Bachchan was not there in Ayodhya.
Issue is not that.
I mean, I'm just saying factually.
Look at his fantasy. You're talking facts. I'm talking about his fantasy, political, I think, instrument that he's hoping to use against Modi. He doesn't care who he demeans.
Both of them say that because you don't have your party, when I say you, I mean your party, because you people don't have answers. You
No,
say
I'm giving you
Pakistan,
answers.
China.
No, but issue is, if the issue of Article 370 comes to the fore, and somebody who is a supporter of Rahul Gandhi says कि Pakistan से डरो, is that not an issue for BJP to respond on? If Rahul Gandhi says Article 370 हम वापस ले आएंगे, is that not an issue for the BJP to address? If Rahul Gandhi stands in parliament and says कहाँ हिंदुस्तान की सेना ने आक्रमण किया, उसका प्रूफ दीजिए, is that not BJP's issue to address? मैंने कहा था बिगेस्ट हिपोक्रेसीज, तुम बूथ कैप्चरर्स हो, तुम लूटते हो बूथ। तुम्हारे मुंह से लोकतंत्र को बचाने की बातें शोभा नहीं देती। लोगों के दिमाग में ये है कि बूथ लूटना मतलब बिहार में होता होगा, आरजेडी करता होगा। राहुल गांधी या प्रियंका वाड्रा, आप सबका फोकस तेजस्वी पे है, तेज प्रताप पे है, लालू जी पे है, वो जो है। लेकिन इनके करिश्मा से इतना मंत्रमुग्ध मत होइए, ये भी बूथ लूटते हैं।
This is the reason why Madhvi Lata is now known as Smriti Redux, because she's the one also who said in Hyderabad.
I'm saying
that it's
you
happening.
can say whatever you want about OSC, at least you know what he's capable of, right? Here, like I said, the giggling Gandhis would have you believe that they are of pristine nature. They're not.